Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a realistic lipstick in Photoshop. So to do that, go ahead and create a new layer and hit the B to activate the brush tool. And on here, brush settings, size set at 40 and hardness set at 25. Color, choose whatever you want, you know for the lips, but I choose as it is. So flow set it 50%. Gently brush it like that. Now after you're done with that, choose the mode to multiple. Okay. And after that, go to effects layer and choose blending mode, and then you're gonna hit alt and click it, make a reflection, and once you have satisfied with the result, go ahead and click OK. So this is the easiest way I know how to make a realistic lipstick in Photoshop. And if you know an other way how to make a realistic lipstick in Photoshop, please leave a comment down below and subscribe for more informative videos like this.